Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our channel or Techno Option. We have did the successful giveaway of our first phone, that is Oppo F23, and live video already is there in YouTube. You can go and watch. Today we have got Samsung Galaxy A54 5G phone. You can see that it's a very nice phone, and many people has given good review. So we'll see. We'll do the unboxing, see how phone is looks, and as always, we'll give this phone as a giveaway also. Along with that, some exciting prizes also will there. So stay tuned, watch the video till end. So without wasting time, we'll start it. We'll see what the special feature of the phone mentioned in the boxes. Then we'll do the unboxing. We'll see in the depth. See, it is mentioned Galaxy A54 5G phone. It has a Super AMOLED display, 120 Hz refresh rate. Anyhow, Samsung phones are known for the good display, and it has a primary camera of 108 megapixel with OIS, that is optical image stabilization, and it has a massive 6000 mAh battery with 25-watt charges. And if you see, the MRP is mentioned 35,999. So we'll do the unboxing, see what is inside. So here are some documentation and boxes are there. We'll see whether they have given any cover or not. Samsung generally doesn't give the cover. It has a cable. Samsung doesn't provide the adapter also. It has a SIM ejector pin and some documentation. Let keep this all this aside. So we'll see the phone. The phone is looking beautiful actually. It's a see the camera. It's a triple camera setup. So we'll do the remove the zip. Let's see how it's looking. We'll keep this all side. Okay. It has a very good effect. It's like a color changing effect, if you can. So now we'll see what are the other features are there in phone. This if you talk of the Samsung, this processor inbuilt, it has a Samsung inbuilt Exynos 1380 processor, which supports 5G, and it has a RAM of 8 GB and storage is 256 GB. You can expand the RAM up to another 8 GB virtually. And now we'll talk about the battery. The battery, Samsung has provided 6000 mAh battery, which is more than enough to survive your day-to-day routine work for 1.5 days. And charging has given by 25 watt, which is a little bit lower, than the nowadays phones are coming minimum 60 watts or 70 watts, 80 watts fast charge. But anyhow, it's okay. If we talk about the Antutu score of this has a benchmark score of 5 lakhs plus something, which is good enough for this kind of budget of the phone. And we'll see the what are the connectivity options there. It has all the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, all the NFC, all the connectivities are there. And if you talk about the sensors, fingerprint sensors are there, face unlocking is there. So all the necessary sensors are also available. The fingerprint sensor is given with the power button, not inbuilt actually. So that you just see some people are not comfortable having a sensor in the power button. And now we'll talk about this software. It has a Android 13 version, and it is inbuilt of Samsung UI. And another great thing what Samsung has provided, they have given security update for 5 years and the software update for 4 years. That means and it has a Android 13. You can get up to 14, 15, 16, 17. So that's a very big thing. So I'll show you about the phone. What the thing is there. If you see, this is a Samsung. This phone is there, and the software version is there. Software is Android 13, and this refresh is very good actually. You can do and scroll down very smoothly. There's no issue on that. So we'll see the what is the glass. their company is claiming it has a Gorilla Glass 5 protection. So it's safe enough. So friends, these are the unboxing and first impression. We'll use this phone for at least 7 days, and we'll get the details review, how the chargings are taking up and how the displays are performing, how the photos are looking, how the videos are looking. So we'll bring you a detailed review so we can have a brief idea on that. Now come to the our giveaway part. As I told you in the starting of the video, we will be definitely doing the giveaway of this phone along with some other exciting prizes. So we are sharing all the details how you can win this phone and how can you participate in this contest in our next video. It will be released shortly. So stay tuned. Do subscribe our channel, share with the friends, like, share a positive comment, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.